Hello, Happy Chinese New Year and Happy Holiday to all members of Vtube. It's been a while that I did not make public appearance. We, the management, have been working days and nights on improving Vtube application for Vtube 3.0. Our first priority is to make sure that Vtube 3.0 can provide the best user experience to all Vtubers, helping our members to pass through the current pandemic situation. To be honest, it is a great feeling and so touching when I receive some messages saying thank you for Vtube, which helped to generate some income for them. Vtube legalization, the 100% legalization, is the target that we have been working with numerous lawyer firms, consulting all the related government departments since July 2020. I believe Vtubers understand that Vtube business model is rather innovative and not really existed before, which is causing our legalized process to take such a long time. During the legalized process, me and my team decided to remain silent to the public in order to reduce the hiccup, to reduce the problems. But there are so many things that I really wanted to share with all of you, so I decided to make this video recording. I believe all Vtubers are aware that there are too many competitors that spreading the bad news to the market regarding Vtube. Apparently, some of them even spend money to the media and some public person, or even hire some IT hackers trying to pull us down. I personally considering this action as fear. They are afraid of us. They have no idea how to copy us. They have no clues about how to overtake us. We have to understand Vtube is a social media platform that doesn't belong to me. It doesn't belong to the company. Vtube belongs to all Vtubers and Vtube belongs to Indonesia. I am seeing and treating Vtube as my home, my family. Imagine when an outsider is making fun, is making bad news, slandering your home, your family, what kind of feeling you are having. For me, I'm feeling angry, and I will do whatever I can to protect my family, my home. I am asking the help from all Vtubers. Let's protect our home together, protect our family member together, to protect Vtube together. I believe that all Vtubers understand about what action these people trying to do and will never fall into their trap. As for the legalization process, we are at the final stage, and I believe all Vtubers will receive the public announcement in very short period of time. Let our actions and results speak for us. Long life Vtube. Thank you very much.